Book of Heaven, Volume 12, November 7, 1918. The soul who does the divine will imprisons Jesus. Finding myself in my usual state, I was saying to my sweet Jesus, if you wanted me to go out of my usual state, how is it possible that after so much time you don't make me content? And he told me,
Daughter, one who does my will and lives in my volition, and not for a short time, but for a period of her life, forms as though a prison for me in her heart, totally and fully of my will. So as she kept doing my will and tried to live in my volition, she raised the walls of this divine and celestial prison, and I, to my highest contentment, remained imprisoned inside of it. And as she absorbed me, I absorbed her into myself, in such a way as to form in me her prison. So she has remained imprisoned in me, and I in her. Hence, when the soul wants something, I say to her, you have always done my will. It is right that sometimes I do yours. More so since this soul living of my will, what she wants can be the fruit, the desire of my own will that lives in her. Therefore, do not worry. When it is necessary, I will do your will.